We're very good at building things here. And what's exciting about this is bringing manufacturing not only back into the United States, but in my home state, and what it will mean for generations of Ohioans. It was very important to me to be part of that legacy and part of paying it forward to the people of my state.
It's a great opportunity to bring the Intel's culture into Ohio, blend it with our own culture. It's a great opportunity for all of us, one in a lifetime.
I'd say if you're wondering if you should give Ohio a shot, to just go for it. Even if it's not something you stay for long term, or that you're like, the Midwest is not for me. Even coming here, meeting the team, having the experience, just seeing it from the ground up, I would go for it.
Hillsboro 10 years ago was a completely different place, and I think it's grown, that we've benefited the community. I was involved with a lot of our wellness for our employees and building this positive culture in construction, and looking to do that in Ohio and get to do it from scratch, so it's exciting.
I've worked and done several projects on a coal-fired power plant and a gas-fired power plant, and it's so exciting at the end of the day when you see that plant built and it's generating power. And I couldn't believe it was positions here, and I thought, I want in at ground level, literally.
I know there's way more to the picture, but just to even be a tiny part of the puzzle and the picture of what we're creating here in Intel, it makes me excited about working every day and getting up to come and contribute every day.
I've always loved watching Silicon Valley and all the tech jobs that were available, and it's just not available out here. And so when I saw that they were coming, I was on that website like a hawk, and when I saw the position post, I was in.
I like basketball, so I like to say, hey, my role is to be the point guard, right? Which is to pass the ball to other people on the team and make them successful. And so all that building going on, whether it's the construction, whether it's the team itself, or it's the culture, it's a great, fantastic time.
I've been in Columbus for over 20 years, graduated from the Ohio State University. So I know Intel put a big investment just in our school itself. It's great to have this in our backyard. It's something way different than we're usually used to. Columbus doesn't have that much manufacturing, so this is great.